இந்த வீடியோவில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் அசைன்மெண்ட் ஆன்சர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோமன், ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த அப்ராப்ரியேட் மீனிங் ஃபார் த அண்டர்லைன் வேர்டு. அண்டர்லைன் பண்ண வேர்டுக்கு கரெக்டான மீனிங்கை மார்க் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. ரிகரஸ்னால் ரொம்ப டஃப்பாக இருக்கிறது. சிவியர், ஓகே, ஸோ சிவியர் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். He was strict disciplinarian and did everything he good for me. Strict, STEM. Strictோட ஆன்சர் STEM. B. Find out the appropriate antonyms for the underlined word. அண்டர்லைன் பண்ண வேர்டுக்கு கரெக்டான ஆண்டனிம்ஸ் எதிர்ச்சொல்லை எடுத்து எழுதணும். சார், அக்ரீட். அக்ரீடோட ஆண்டனம் disagreed. I always enjoyed the conversation about batting. Enjoyedோட ஆண்டனம் hate. Fifth one, write the homophone for the word no. Noவோட homophone no, N-O, no. Sixth one, write the prefix for the word appear. Appeaரோட prefix word disappear. Write the suffix for the word sudden. Sudden, suddenly. Next, second Roman, short answer கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Short answer பார்க்கலாம். First question, who were Sachin's favorite player? Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richard were Sachin's favorite players. Second question, what was Coach Achrekkar's first impression on Sachin? Coach Achrekkar's first impression on Sachin was that he was too young to make the camp. Third question, why was Sachin asked to change the school? Sachin was asked to change the school because he wanted to pursue cricket as his career. Real answer, Achrekar was a sincere coach. Substantiate. இதுவும் புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின் தான். ஆன்சர், Ramakant Achrekar started playing cricket in the year 1943 when he was 11. His most famous student is undoubtedly Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, India's highest run scorer in both Test and ODIs and also the current record holder for multiple records. He has been instrumental in grooming some of the coin. If Tendulkar passed the whole session without getting dismissed, the coach would give him the coin. Such a motivational reward from the coach made Tendulkar strive and survive to win the coin. Tendulkar recalled an incident when his coach told him to play for B team of his school. Instead of batting, he preferred sitting in the gallery and cheering for his schoolmates. In the evening, when he came across Achrekar, he was asked how many runs he had scored. Taken aback, Tendulkar told him that he was clapping and cheering up. Then came a slap which shattered his mic. He realized what a mistake he had committed. Achrekar told him firmly that he was not born to just clap for others, but for others to watch him and clap for him. Next poem. Read the following line and answer the question. He will not see my stopping here to watch his fill up with snow. Question 1. Who does he refers to? He refers to the owner of the wood. B. Identify the season with this line. Answer, it is winter season. Second, my little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Who is the speaker? The poet Robert Frost is the speaker. Why should the horse think it's queer? There is no farmhouse near and it is night time. The woods are dark, so the horse might think it's strange to stop there. Third, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep. How are the wood? The woods are lovely, dark and dense. Who does I refer to? I யாரை ரெஃபர் பண்ணுது? ராபர்ட் ஃப்ரோஸ்ட். Second Roman, and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Why the poet has used the same line twice? Answer, in order to emphasize the fact that he has to fulfill his duties and responsibility before his death. The poet has used the same line twice. Explain miles to go before I sleep. Answer, miles to go refers to leading the rest of his life until his death. Second one, He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. Why does he gives us harness bell a shake? Answer: he shakes the harness bell as if he is asking the poet whether there was any mistake in stopping at the wrong place. How does the horse communicate with the poet? The horse communicates with the poet by shaking his horn's bell. Next, part B, memory poem. ஹோஸ் வுட்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி 5 லைன்ஸ் ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஸ்டாப்பிங் பை வுட்ஸ் ஆன் த ஸ்னோவி ஈவினிங்கோட 5 லைன்ஸ் போயம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், எக்ஸ்பிளைன் தி மெயின் ஐடியா ஆஃப் த போயம் ஸ்டாப்பிங் பை வுட்ஸ் ஆன் தி ஸ்னோவி ஈவினிங். ஓகே, ஆன்சர் பாருங்கள். த சென்ட்ரல் ஐடியா ஆஃப் தி போயம் ஸ்டாப்பிங் பை வுட்ஸ் ஆன் ஸ்னோவி ஈவினிங் composed by Robert Frost is that the poem is riding through the beautiful woods filled up with snow. The nearby lake is also frozen. He wants to stop there to enjoy the charming sight. His horse feels queer because his master wanted to stop there where he could see no farmhouse to stay. The horse feels strange and shakes his bell. The poet realizes that the woods are lovely to watch, but he has to keep his words and to go for many miles before he would sleep. Next part, grammar. Choose the most appropriate preposition from the option given. இதில் கரெக்டான ப்ரிப்போசிஷனை செலக்ட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணணும். First one, hang the chart on the wall. Second one, the cat hide behind the door. Third, my uncle will visit me on May. Fourth, the work will be over by the evening. Fifth one, I went to the bookstore. Use for or since for the appropriate sentence given below. We have been living in Chennai for 8 years. He has been working since morning. Use between or among in appropriate sentence given below. He distributed his property between his 2 sons. I am happy to among friends again. Part C, letter writing. Write a letter to your friend describing the joy of celebrating festival in your village. இது book back question தான். First, date and address mention பண்ணிக்கங்க. Then, dear friend, hello, how are you? I am fine and I am writing to you to tell you how I celebrated Pongal. As you know, it is a harvest festival celebrated with great fervor in southern part of India. It reflects the happiness and delight of the farmer on reaping and reaping harvest. It is a symbol of prosperity as is the traditional of celebrating all festivals. This one of also is associated with delicacies. Sweetened rice, popularly known as payasam, made with jaggery, is a main delicacy. Other dishes are also made. The whole of southern India celebrates this festival irrespective of caste and class. Hope next time I celebrate it you are at my place but participating in the celebration. Yours lovingly போட்டு நேம் போட்டு finish பண்ணுங்க. Next, identify and correct the error in the following sentence. First one, he told to me a story. He told me. To வராது. To-வை நம்ம எடுத்துடணும். I prefer coffee for tea. இதில் for எடுத்துட்டு over போடணும். I prefer coffee over tea. Third one, she is suffering with fever. With வராது, from போடணும். Next, supplementary reader, the envious neighbor. Part A, identify the character or speaker of the following line. இந்த லைனோட ஸ்பீக்கர் யாரு, கேரக்டர் யாருங்கிறத ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணணும். They gathered the treasure. Answer, the honest old couple. The pine tree under which I am hurried to be cut down and made into a mortar. The dog to the good old man. Bow, bow, bow. The dog. They dug and found nothing but the quantity of dirt and nasty offal. Answer, the envious neighbors. He had not to be wait long before he was called into Prince's places ordered to exhibit his power. Answer, the envious old man. Next, part B. Complete the following by choosing the correct answer from the option given below. 6. In the old days, there lived a dash man with his wife. Honest. Honest. Be honest. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. When the old couple become rich, they are generous towards poor neighbors. Next, read the passage and given the answer the question given below. இந்த பேராகிராஃபை ரீட் பண்ணி கீழே கொடுத்துருக்க கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். வாட் டிட் த கப்புள் ஹாவ் as a pet? Dog. What was the pet dog feed with? Feed with fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. Next question answer. The old people thought there must be something singed cat under the ground, so they brought a spade and began digging. Next part D. Rearrange the following sentence. இந்த சென்டென்ஸை கரெக்டாக அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி மீனிங்ஃபுல்லாக கொண்டு வரணும். இதோட ஆன்சர்ஸ் இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். ஆன்சர் 35241. Part E. Answer the following in a paragraph. Narrate the story The Envious Neighbor in your own word. Paragraph answer. An honest man lived with his wife. They had a pet dog which they used to feed with fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. One day, when the couple went to work in their garden, the dog stopped at the place and started to bark. When the couple bugged that place, they found gold and silver pieces being buried there. They gathered the treasure and, after giving alms to the poor, bought themselves rice field and cornfield and became wealthy people. The neighbors who were stingy old couple envied them and borrowed their dog to see if they could find any treasure with the help of the dog. They led the dog out into the garden. It walked along the garden without any barking for a long time. At last the dog stopped at the certain spot and began to sniff. They hastily dug the spot but found only dirt and nasty thing. Furious at being disappointed, the old couple killed the dog. When the good old man came to know that his dog was buried at the root of pine tree, with heavy heart he burnt incense and adorned the grave with flowers. That night the dog appeared to him and sleep in his sleep and instructed him to cut down the pine tree where it was buried, make it into a mortar and to use it, thinking of it as it is were the dog itself. The old man did as he was told to do, but when he ground seeing this, the rice couple borrowed the mortar, but as soon as they used some rich all the rice turned into filth. So in angry. Seeing this, the wicked couple borrowed the mortar, but as soon as they used it, all the rice turned into filth. So in angry, they broke it and burned it. One day the dog appeared again to the old man in his dream. It told him to sprinkle the ashes of burnt mortar on the trees. The trees would revive and bloom with flowers. He obeyed the dog and instructed bringing the dead tree to life. A certain princess utilized his power and gave him a rich reward, but the envious neighbors got thrashing from the god of the prince. When they tried to do the same act, finally when the old couple heard of this, they sent for the neighbor and gave them a share of their own riches. After this, the wicked people mended their way and led a good and virtuous lives ever after. இதுதான் அந்த பேராகிராஃப். அந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு இந்த பேராகிராஃப் ரைட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்கள் கொஸ்டின் வந்து நீங்கள் கம்ப்ளீட், உங்கள் அசைன்மெண்ட்டை நீங்கள் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடலாம்.